Okay, fixing the error of a groomer, the wrong groomer being rung up. Right price, wrong groomer. So in this case, I was totaling Dan's, ignore that for a second, and when I add up Dan's total, I have 59 plus 59 plus 59 plus 62 plus 59 plus 42 plus 59 plus 59. So I have 458. You can see here Dan's total, it says 399. So 458 minus 399, there's a $59 discrepancy on Dan's report. So I'm going to go to my Excel sheet. I'm going to go to all of my one for the second, and I'm going to specifically look for Dan DG, and I'm going to go through and look at the customer name, the total, and I'm going to put a check mark at each one. Good morning. Once I have checked all of them off, I can see right here that Nancy Gunther is not checked off. And so I'm going to go find Nancy Gunther, in this case right here, and I'm going to see that she was rung up under Katrina. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight her. Oh, no. I'm going to highlight both of these. I'm going to make them yellow. I'm going to label it over here, so you can see Leah rung that up. And I'm going to label wrong groomer. DG, not CG. Okay, and then so now I know that this $59 is actually in Katrina's grooming total. So going back to these totals here, the 463. So you can see I just use my totals. I'm going to take the $59 off, and so here I have 377. And then I had already checked everyone else's, and they already are correct. So I'm going to add everything. So I have 377 because I crossed off the 436. So 377 plus 458 for Dan, 523 for Leslie, and 400. So I have 1758. And then I'm going to add in the add-on total here, 243, 234, and now my totals match. So even though there was an error in the computer, it doesn't change anything in the money. And even though this total does not match what's in the computer, it does balance. And so I went ahead and put that check mark. I'm not going to put the different totals because it's irrelevant. I just need this total for Dan's grooming commissions. So that as long the check mark tells me that this total, regardless of whether or not it's exactly a match to the computer, at all of these totals together for that day match the total for the computer, regardless of the fact that there was a clerical error on the groomer.